Getting to the coupon area. So inside Zenler, there's two places you can get to the same place, which is coupons within the site. The first place is to go to courses from your dashboard and simply on the left hand side click coupons. The second place you can get to coupons is from site. If you click site, go across to the left and you'll have coupons. Both of these methods for getting to coupons are in the same area on the site. For instance, you can see we are in site now on the left hand side. If we go to courses, the menu will change. However, when we click coupons, it will go back to the site interface down here. This is how you can get to the coupon area and create coupons for your Zenler site.